You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to delete your App Store download history on an iPhone. Open the App Store app, tap your profile picture or icon in the top right corner. Under the Account section, you will see Purchased. Tap on it. You will see a list of all apps you've ever downloaded, organized by all or not on this iPhone. You cannot delete an app from this history permanently. However, you can hide individual purchases. Swipe left on any app you want to hide. Tap Hide. The app will be removed from your purchase list on this device. It will not appear in future lists unless you re-download it from the App Store search to clear your recent search history within the App Store. Go back to the main App Store screen. Tap the search icon. Tap the X in the search bar to clear the current term. To clear all recent searches, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then Clear App Search History. This removes your local search terms but does not affect Apple's server record of your downloads. For a more private download list, consider using family sharing with a separate Apple ID, as purchases are not shared between accounts. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.